How to view conversations with and message patients. View historical conversations with your patient by clicking on View All Conversations under the Conversations banner. This will take you to a page where you can navigate between All Conversations and My Conversations. The All Conversations tab will display your shared team inbox containing messages between the patient and everyone in your team. If your team hasn't been set up with a shared inbox, you'll not have any data in this tab. To set this up, please ensure that you have enabled two-factor authentication when you log into Accurex, and please submit your request using the short online form in the comments section below. The My Conversations tab allows you to view the history of conversations which took place between yourself and the patient only. To continue an existing conversation regarding an appointment or a test result, click on the conversation and then on the Message Patient button at the bottom of the page. To start a new conversation with the patient, click on the New Conversation button. The mobile field will be pre-populated. Like other messaging functions on the platform, you're able to select from the template drop-down if you'd like to use a specific template, or you can even create your own template. Click on the Attach File button to include an attachment. This will appear as a link in the text message that the patient receives, which they can then download on their personal device. You can also give the patient the option to reply by selecting the toggle below the message that says, "Allow a patient to reply once." This allows the patient to reply to your message only once via an online link. They will not receive your mobile number or email address. The patient is able to reply with up to 5 images per reply, and the maximum photo size that a patient can submit is 7 megabytes. The response link is active for 7 days. After this period, the link will no longer work and your patient will not be able to reply. You'll receive an email notifying you that the patient didn't respond. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a message template.